Alright. Nick, what the hell are we making today?
Stuff.
Does it have a name?
Stuff.
Just roll the video.
Ice Cream Coleslaw from 1973. Now, I don't precisely know the nature of the dystopian demons that must have been inhabiting the minds of the people of the 1970s, but they must have been severe enough as to cause this abomination. We begin with 3 cups of shredded cabbage. You know, cabbage is one of those things. I have nothing else to add. Next is 8 ounces of whipped topping. That's one way to spice things up. We don't shame anybody here. Now, 20 ounces of crushed pineapple. Did I mention this was in the kids' recipe section? Yeah. This is why we hate cabbage. Very bad. Finally, we have a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You, ma'am, are motivated by anger and anger alone. Now let this chill for about 2 hours or enough time to sell your possessions and flee the state. I feel like I'm waiting to be hanged. All right. It tastes like how a dentist office smells. Broken dreams and scattered screams. That's the product of an ill mind.
Okay.
Yep.
That's the name of it.
That's the expression I was expecting to hear when I heard that name.
So let's do this, baby.
Awesome. Well, not much going into this one.
There's 2 cups. There's 3 cups.
Oh, of what? Oh, lettuce? Okay.
Cabbage.
Let me go wash my hands real quick.
You didn't wash your hands yet?
No!
Can't do anything around here. Cabbage.
Been operating a camera on a tripod that's been sitting in my garage for a year. Who knows what's on that tripod?
Don't worry, Ben. I'll get the cabbage.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Do everything around here. Look at that extra cabbage you have. There we go.
This thing's gonna have a major crunch to it.
It's fresh cabbage. You can see that.
Alright, and the whole tub of whipped topping.
This will be a short video.
This is gonna be a very short video. Would you like to taste it before it goes bad?
Yeah, of course we're going to do that a little bit, obviously.
Oh, baby.
All the good stuff. Say goodbye to it.
That's a healthy heaping.
Before we do that, though,
I need a bigger bowl.
yeah, it'll be fine. Got a little bit. Before it goes away.
Oh.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. That's dangerously good.
Yeah. I'll try it now.
Nope.
Oh boy.
This calls
That's
for
the fun part.
Check this out. I got a new camera. It's the exact same camera we're filming on, just
Fix the camera on.
a different one, so I can record close-ups.
I did it all my life. Flash from my eyes. All my regrets. What's your biggest regret? This. Currently? This.
Yeah, currently.
Oh no, I'm dropping all of it.
Oh, my table.
We keep going. I want to, like, strain these.
Sure.
While I'm out here mixing this. It's getting there. We're getting there.
Well, we just need the juice out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go pour it down and say, I don't know if you want to or not.
It all goes to the same municipality.
What do they do at that point? Who knows? They filter it so you can drink it.
There's not much juice in here.
Look at that extra cabbage you have too. Oh yeah, we're getting there, baby.
Smacking a can of juice in the background.
Smack that. Oh, we're getting this nice and done now.
Yeah, I should grab a strainer.
And Benton falls to the dungeon, never to be seen again.
Oh, we're small strainers. We own one. I just don't know where it is. Let me peer real quick.
Beautiful.
The big one.
Stuff over my hands.
Oh, there's a small one. It's inside the big one.
Oh, my back. Oh, my back is starting to hurt. Because I'm old.
You just mixed for 2 seconds.
What's your point? I'm old. Can you do it?
Oh, God. So, shake, yeah. Shimmy shake.
This is what you paid for.
Dinner and a show.
Delectable.
Why is this little? Be gone! Oh, God.
That's pretty powerful. Oh, this is powerful.
No. I was gonna say, I don't smell anything like that. That's gotta be close to good.
It's not for me. We're not here for perfection. We're here because, honestly, I don't know why we're here. This is all Benton's idea.
This was your idea. This whole show was your idea.
Expect me to take responsibility for my actions?
Yes!
No. I'm American. I don't do that.
No, you got me on that technicality. Just hear that.
Oh, yeah. It looks so good. So tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Now what you add? How would you say? 2 tablespoons
Of white
white vinegar?
Yep.
White vinegar?
2 tablespoons. That's gonna be strong. Yes, strong stuff.
You hear that?
Regret?
It's saying mayo is spicy. 2 of these tablespoons.
Well, that's just 2 to begin with, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's just 2 tablespoons right there.
I know.
Okay.
That's a big thing, though.
Yeah. No, got most of it in there.
We're trying to add that much. We're gonna guess that much fell. You can clean with vinegar, you know.
Yeah. It's a good thing 'cause it's all over my floor now.
And a pinch of salt. I'll use a dry hand for that.
Yeah. Is it solidified? My salt gone bad? You're right.
That's a salt thunk.
You'll have another salt container over there.
There we go.
That's more than a pinch. What are you doing?
There we go. And now,
See, it was being alright and tasty, but now that we have the vinegar and salt in there,
you think this was tasted before the vinegar and salt?
it might have been. It's got
Maybe
pineapple,
with the-
whipped cream.
Yeah.
That's gonna hide some.
Do you think it's gonna have all that cabbage? This is all cabbage.
Yeah, we're basically just having a salad with the weirdest dressing you'd ever imagine.
Yes.
I think it's more mixed than that. You barely put the vinegar in there.
So needy.
Yeah.
So needy, Ben.
You wiggle that vinegar around in there.
Burp. Excuse me. Now, is that what you wanted? It's like, no, nobody ever wanted this.
Yeah. Nobody ever wanted this.
Kind of looks like marshmallow fluff.
Yeah.
With, I know the whores what this is. I know the truth. freeze.
Freeze or fridge?
That's a chill, so.
Shit, you want to put it in the freezer?
We have to use ice cream, right?
Sure. You want to actually chill faster, to be honest. So, yeah. Alright, then we check back, what, 2 hours?
2 hours. Starting.
You probably caught the top of the minute.
Starting. Oh. Starting in 2 hours.
Scream wipe.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, here she is, baby. Some Go-Gurt too while we're at it. It's been about roughly close enough. It's probably been over 2 hours.
Yeah, it has been. It's been like 2.5.
Look at that.
Disgusting. Is it solid? Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be ice cream.
Solid enough, baby.
Oh boy.
Ready?
Apple tea.
Here she goes.
Good healthy. Like, what is the chunks in here again?
Cabbage.
No, pineapple.
Apple.
Yeah.
I'm actually trying to get a spoonful right now.
So I got pineapple in there. I definitely got the cabbage.
Okay, here we go.
Cheers.
Yay, over the lips, past the nose.
Down the hatch. Count her down.
Wait.
Ooh, yeah, I smell the vinegar.
Oh,
boy.
yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, vinegar's strong. Would you not do it?
I'll wait and see how you would react first.
Vinegar's strong, but that Cool Whip tries, man. It tries to hide it. Oh. In all honesty, minus the vinegar, you might have something. It ain't much, and it ain't good, but it's a start.
It's not terrible.
No, it's not that terrible, but that vinegar kicks you in the throat.
It's way too much vinegar.
Yeah, it is.
Honestly, like I said, it's not bad. Honestly, I could. I mean, if I was hungry, there's nothing else.
There's really nothing else?
There's really nothing else. I'm like, I guess. But as far as it goes,
The Cool Whip pineapple, great combination. The
cabbage is
weird.
It's a weird left field,
But it's not bad. But that vinegar strikes you before anything else. That vinegar hits you right in the back of the throat. And then everything else hits. And then it's fine. I know, right? It's just like you get past that vinegar and suddenly you're fine.
There's way too much vinegar. Also a little salt there too.
Yeah. Well, there's that again. And now it's fine. now it actually tastes pretty good. Oh.
Yeah, that vinegar though.
Yeah, that is aggressively there.
Vinegary. Yeah, I like salt and vinegar chips, but that was just.
Yeah. I mean, it does have salt and vinegar.
Yeah. No
But
potatoes.
in a dessert.
In a dessert.
Oh. It's not good.
This is also missing something to absorb all that vinegar.
Yeah. Well, I mean, minus the vinegar and then add, like, anything else.
Yeah.
Anything sweet.
I could live with this probably. If it just needs something else. Something.
Something.
I don't know why I'm doing the Italian, but it needs something. Maybe something
What,
Italian.
salami?
Sure.
Salami or dessert? Oh. That just tastes vinegar. You adding Tabasco sauce to your... Don't do it. Do it, you madman.
Did not help with that at all.
You wouldn't think so.
It did help with the vinegar taste, though. The vinegar taste was not bad on that one. Overall, it's still terrible. Yeah, that's something differently terrible.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need something real quick. I'll be right back.
We'll use this knife to pry out the other knife. It's one of those moments.
Yes. It's technically helping.
I can just hear him chugging beer in the other room.
It helped.
Well, you gotta give it a rating.
Out of 10?
Out of 10. It ain't gonna get very high, because that vinegar just bats it down. That's probably a solid 3 from me.
I'd say a 4.
Ooh, you're going a little higher.
If it wasn't for the vinegar, I feel like the potential's there for something.
I know, right?
But with that vinegar is too much.
With this ingredient added in there, yeah. That's just...
So I wouldn't try it. I wouldn't make it myself unless I had to do something with it. But well, maybe you guys want. You try it yourselves. Tell us.
Write in the comments below.
Write in the comments below why. Why was this?
What you would replace the vinegar with. That might actually make it somewhat more enjoyable. So I'm thinking something sweet, like another fruit maybe. I don't know what fruit. I just can't think of any any flavoring that would, because you're replacing basically vinegar.
Well, you could always add apples in there.
Apple juice maybe?
So
You want to replace the liquid with another liquid. Maybe apple juice. That probably wouldn't be too bad. You're almost getting into Cherasef scenario there, if you've ever had
Yeah.
Cherasef.
Either way, I wouldn't do it.
No.
Or just pull back on the vinegar a little bit. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Maybe 1 tablespoon, whatever it was. 2 was a little excessive.
Yeah. I just don't think vinegar goes with Cool Whip. Oh. Oh.
Well, there you have it, guys. See you in the next one.
Yep. Hopefully not in a year this time. Year-long wait.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to go feed this to the wildlife?
Sure.
Alright.
Be gone with you.
That was a solid lump.
Yep.
That one's smooth.
A solid frozen lump.
Guess it is ice cream.
Hold that.
Holding.
Be gone, foul demon!
I think they hit me.
They hit me too.